It's dog park day. Polly, she can't see anything, but she loves the dog park. She just follows her nose. Let's see what the others are doing. How you doing, Chester? Are you having a good time? Yeah? Polly's his buddy. And Kobe, and Bandit. There's Miss Lily. It's a nice dog park in Spring Hill, in Georgia. You're having a little adventure, Polly? Yeah, good girl. I think your daddy used to take you to the park when he was alive. You sure get excited over parks. Lily likes to climb on top of whatever she can. Picnic table, bench, anything she can stand on. Where you been, Kobe? Been barking? Come on, Chester. Come out here with us. That's a good boy. Come on, Chester. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, he is. You're a sweet boy.